Welcome to the SpineFitter exercise program. Over the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how to effectively utilize the SpineFitter system for relieving tension and enhancing the flexibility of your spine and shoulders. The SpineFitter was developed by German company Sissel in collaboration with physiotherapists and osteopaths. The positive effect of the SpineFitter was validated in an international study carried out in 2022 involving 120 patients. If you have osteoporosis, an acute herniated disc, or an acute inflammation in your spine or shoulders, please refrain from participating in this exercise program. Additionally, if you are pregnant or have undergone spinal fusion surgery, these conditions are contraindications, and you should avoid performing the exercises in this program. You are currently positioned with the back of your head resting on the last 4 balls of the SpineFitter. Your legs bent. Experience how the 28 massage balls gently stimulate your muscles and fascia along your entire spine. Allow your shoulders to relax next to the SpineFitter and enjoy the gentle realignment of your spine. Merrily lying on the SpineFitter can assist in easing muscle tension and fascial adhesions. Let's begin with the first SpineFitter exercise. Lift your hands towards the ceiling, palms facing each other, and start circling your shoulder blades. Allow the shoulder blades to drop beside the balls and move in a backward circle, keeping your arms straight at the elbows. This helps target tension in your shoulder blade muscles and release any potential trigger points. Repeat this 4 to 5 more times. Next, stretch your arms overhead and start making large arm circles, moving them over your sides, along the ground to your hips, and then back over your head. Utilize the full range of motion, mobilizing your shoulders and releasing tension around the shoulder blades. Do this 4 to 5 times more. Place your arms by your sides on the mat and draw your feet closer to your buttocks. Begin the shoulder bridge exercise by drawing your pubic bone towards your navel, slightly tilting your pelvis upwards. Lift each vertebra until you're between your shoulder blades. Then lower your spine back down, 1 vertebra at a time, until your sacrum rests on the SpineFitter. This mobilizes your spine's facet joints as the vertebra spinous processes sink between the massage balls. Repeat 4 to 5 times. Now place your hands closed around the back of your head and, similar to a sit-up movement, roll up your thoracic spine, keeping your elbows wide. Once up, close your elbows and let your thoracic spine gradually descend between the balls, vertebra by vertebra, applying gentle pressure. This mobilizes the facet joints and enhances spinal mobility. Perform this exercise 4 to 5 times as well. All exercises carried out so far contribute to reducing tension and mobilizing vertebrae and joints. Additionally, the SpineFitter is great for strengthening deep muscles. Lie down again, your head and back fully on the SpineFitter, and raise both legs at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core and slowly raise one arm towards the ceiling, feeling the effect on your deep muscles. If you feel stable, slowly extend the other arm upwards. You will notice how the unstable surface of the SpineFitter can be used in numerous exercises to train the deep muscles. Now roll off the spine fitter to the side and lie flat on your mat. Notice your spine sensation. It likely feels more elongated and flatter. Finally, lift your pelvis and, unlike the previous exercises, place the spine fitter crosswise under your sacrum. Moving your closed legs from side to side mobilizes your lumbar spine and massages the gluteal muscles. This exercise allows you to address and alleviate tension points commonly caused by prolonged sitting, such as in an office setting, using small circular movements. Move your closed legs from left to right several more times, savoring the gluteal muscle massage. If you encounter a sore spot, linger there for a bit. Next, we'll focus on relaxing the thoracolumbar fascia, a dense tendinous sheath in the lumbar spine area, often associated with tension and deep back pain. Slide the spine fitter up under your lumbar spine, positioned between your iliac crest and ribs. Slide your forearms beneath the spine fitter on both sides and gently lift it. You can massage these muscular and fascial structures by moving your legs from left to right, helping to ease tensions. Additionally, use small circular and shaking movements to specifically target tense areas. Repeat this exercise 4 to 5 times as well. Ensure your buttocks are lifted, not resting on the ground, to prevent excessive arching of the lower back. Sit up and position the spine fitter under your shoulder blades. Support your head with your hands interlocked. Then rotate your upper body left and right over your shoulders, keeping your pelvis and legs stable. This exercise massages the trunk and shoulder blade areas, often home to trigger points. Rotate your upper trunk several times from side to side, enjoying the soothing massage. Finally, gently lay back down on the spine fitter in a supine position and feel the difference. You might notice a deeper sinking into the spine fitter structure, evident as your shoulder blades move closer to the floor. To experiment with the trigger tool and extension kit, place the trigger tool in the 4th hole from the top among the balls. This can be adjusted later as needed. Ease yourself back down into a supine position and start with gentle arm circles to experience the benefits of trigger point therapy. Perform this exercise 5 to 6 times. Then rest beside the spine fitter. Take a moment to notice the difference and pause. Afterwards, gently sit up, remove the trigger tool and replace it with the extension kit. This kit is designed to lengthen the spine fitter for individuals over 1.80 meters tall. To demonstrate its use in supporting and enhancing exercises, we will show you how it aids in bolstering the lumbar spine during deep core strength training. Insert the extension kit into the center of the spine fitter. Lie down once more in a supine position and position the spine fitter with the extension kit horizontally under your sacrum and lumbar spine, ensuring proper support. Lift your legs one at a time, trying to keep gentle contact of the lumbar spine with the balls. Alternate tapping your toes lightly on the floor while maintaining contact with the spine fitter. This exercise focuses on strengthening your deep abdominal muscles within a stable framework. Stand up slowly from the Spinefitter and feel the positive impact this short exercise program has had on your shoulders and back. In addition to the Spinefitter extension kit and trigger tool, the complete Spinefitter system also includes the Lenum heat cushion. The Lenum offers you a chance to independently heat the entire spinal musculature, leading to relaxation and a decrease in back pain, while also positively influencing the autonomic nervous system. For free exercise videos, visit our Spinefitter YouTube channel. The wide range of exercise videos demonstrates the versatility of the Spinefitter and that this multi-tool can be used easily at home. An international study revealed that just 3 10-minute exercise sessions each week increased spinal mobility by an average of 34% and shoulder mobility by 22% after 6 weeks. Participants in the study experienced significantly less pain and enhanced performance as a result. In Germany, thousands of physiotherapy and orthopedic practices incorporate the Spinefitter into their daily patient treatments and endorse it as an effective, safe tool for home self-treatment. We believe the Spinefitter by Sissel can enhance your well-being too. Our exhibition stand team is happy to answer any questions you may have about the Spinefitter or about today's special trade show prices.